After about 7 months of heavy use, the cutting board that I built for my friend split, and he wanted me to try to repair it. After giving it a little thought, I decided that epoxy would be the best approach. I used masking tape to assure that the epoxy wouldn't run through the bottom of the board. I mixed in a couple of drops of black acrylic paint just to darken the epoxy. I really thought this would camouflage the repair. Once I was happy with the mixture, I just kept dabbing the split until I was comfortable that it was completely filled. After letting it set overnight, I removed the masking tape and I commenced sanding. I sanded off the excess epoxy and then I sanded the entire board, starting with 100 grit and working my way up to 220. The blackened epoxy mixed really well with the wangi, and the repair became almost invisible. I then applied 2 very generous coats of Watco Butcher Block oil and finish. Just like new.
Thanks for watching. This has been another shortcut. Be sure to like this video and click on the subscribe button for future content. You might want to head on down to rkwoodsworking.com and check out all my other woodworking related content. I hope to see you there, and we'll see you next time.